Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change YouTube handle in your PC and Windows. So you can see I'm opening Google Chrome. You can use any browser you want, and after that go to youtube.com, and then you will see this is the YouTube interface. So what you need to do, you need to click here, your profile icon, right top corner on your screen, click here, and then click here view your channel, click here, and click here customize channel. So there are many ways to find this option, but this is the easiest way to change your handle. So click here customize channel, and after that you can see three options: layout, branding, and basic info. Simply click here, and you can see first option is your name, and second option it's the handle. It means the username, or you can say it's the channel name. So whatever you type here, your channel name will be like that. Like, choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Handles can be changed twice every 40 days. So okay, you have to type anything. So the handle is taken, it means it's not available. So you have to choose the unique one, the handle name I didn't use before. Okay, so uh, okay, I'm typing how to totes. So you can see how to totes. So this is available, that's why here you can see the green signal, and after that click here publish. Once you click publish, then your handle name will be changed. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.